Hi everyone, welcome to microbit code, and then this is the last code to the similar happy face. Now I will add in this similar happy face. First you're going to put here, take this, go in logic, take this one, and then put here, and put like that. Here, you just put like that is also correct. Go and put here. Pick button B. Button B, okay. And then go variable. We search random number. Random number. And then random number, take this one. Then go hit basic again. Oh, wait. Go here. Image. In icon image. Wait, oh, this is no. Okay, that's all. And then go radio. Oh no, go music. Take this one. Here. Now let's button A. Button B. Here. Bye bye everyone for listening my video.